Easy, everyone. I'm gonna be super quick. I'm pissed off, man. Not at the players, but at the officials. How many times? And you can say like, oh, it always gets pinned on this and that, but the referee ruined that game. He ruined the flow of the game, which allowed them to get back into it. I mean, Stuart Atwell on like if Stuart Atwell is anywhere fucking near the Emirates again, I'm gonna lose my fucking head. The guy's a fraud. You've seen them giving that at the end. You've seen them giving the speed of the check. How can you? It's a joke. It's an absolute joke. The amount of free kicks that they got for nothing. The inconsistencies over the bookings. I mean, I felt that we played, we tried to be over elaborate, not with showboating or anything like that, but I felt when the ball was on down a particular wing, so if Saliba had it and he could go down the right, he'd turn and try to go to the left, and it'd just allow them that split second and get back in. Whereas the only times that we're doing it in the first half, where it was allowing, was Ben White to go and overlap. So that was annoying and frustrating. But I think, the commentators, like, it's so weird, right? It's like Newcastle is somehow fairy tale. Like, oh my gosh, like, they were bottom of the table last year, and now this year they're up in the top four, and this and that, and rare, and fucking, like, well done to them. Like, fuck off. Like, why is the juice and the story on them, like, coming here and basically fucking ruining game by just, like, gamesmanship and referee biting to it? Fucking stupid, man. Stupid. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, where's Arju? Like, you know what I'm saying? But fuck 'em. Fuck 'em all. Arsenal versus the fucking world, mate. We'll take it. If anything, felt Odegaard looked leggy in the last bit of that match. I think Saka did, Martinelli did. So if anything, it shows that we do need to strengthen. I don't know what they're on about a striker. For me, it's still wingers. Thought Eddie played decent. Unlucky with his chance that he had. So yeah, I think if anything, we've not conceded. Still more to come from us. This period now where we get the rest in, obviously, Oxford in FA Cup, and then North London derby the week after. Chance to rest some key players. Obviously, we want to go for it in the FA Cup, do you know what I mean? Reigning record holders of that. And it'd be good to add that to the silverware that we're after this season. But you've got a feeling that it'll rotate. So allow him to rotate. Come back with key players fresh for that North London derby, and then push on into that United game as well. And there we are. But when is something going to be done about officials, man? It's just so shit, and so often. This time last year, it was Stuart Atwell against City. Do you know what I mean? You just don't want it to come down to shit officiating, and yet too many times it does. That's why I'm pissed off. We're still top. See what happens Thursday. All we can do is focus on us and let everything else happen around us. Put ourselves in a good position. As I say, didn't lose. So let's go again. Look after. Happy New Year. Fuck the officials, and peace.